Hello guys! Good morning from Portugal. Today is November 1. Primero dia din Novembro. Okay, today I have 10-year session, of course. Hola, bom dia! Mais dia de luta. Vamos jogar e ganhar. Today I tenho os números 22, 23, 24, 25, 29. Falta 26, 27, 28. Missing 26, 27, 28, guys. This lottery store near to my house. They are immigrant, but they were born in Portugal, so I guess they're Portuguese. Because my husband told me the owner was his classmates in high school. They were born in Portugal, so they have Portuguese passport, of course. And what I'm going to say, but they don't look like Portuguese. But they were born in Portugal, so they are Portuguese. My daughter was born in Hong Kong, but in Hong Kong, guys, if you were born there, it's not automatic that you will be a citizen. Not like in Portugal. Okay, even though I worked there 8 years, my husband worked there 10 years. Your daughter will never get any document from Hong Kong. It's not like in Portugal. In Portugal, the foreigners, if they have kids born in Portugal, they're Portuguese. Okay? But in Hong Kong, no. My daughter was born there. Okay, so matching. My husband doesn't apply for permanent resident. That's why my daughter doesn't get any document from Hong Kong. Okay? Plus, she's Portuguese, but when we applied her passport in Macau, because they don't have they don't have Portuguese embassy in Hong Kong. They give us hard time. Oh, your wife's mother's name is a mistake. A lot of problems. But the foreigners born in Portugal, they have no problems. The Portuguese apply for Portuguese passport. There are a lot of problems in Macau. Okay, guys, this is a matching number game. If the number here match in the main game, win 10 times the price shown. I just talk about this, guys, because I remember when my daughter was applying a passport, they refuse. We have to go there at least 4 times. Luckily, my husband met the consul, the head of the Macau embassy, and he emailed him, and finally he told the workers to approve. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're looking for 30. The Portuguese kids outside Portugal have hard time to get a passport. And the foreigners here is very easy to get passport. Just telling you guys. Okay, so there's no match or what? 30 size now. 10 times this size. No. 22, no. Let's go to 23. We're looking for always 30s. 34, 38. 25, 33, 21, 28, 22, 18, 29, 17, 19, 16. I needed this in 10 times. What's the year? 10 times. 30. So no, it's not the winner. 34, 38, no. 23, 24, 18, 29, 27, 21. Ay, there's a win. 18, 22, 25, 14, 31, 30, 34, 38. What letter is this? This. I think this €5. Ay, €5. Win all 35, not win all 5 times, 10 times. No, so ticket 24 is €5 win, not bad. Let's go here. I have 2 more tickets. We're looking for 21, 36. 35. Is a no. 14. 15. 11. 13. 12. 22. Oh Lord. 30. 26. No. Here? I would like to win here. 28. Of course not. If there is, I win. Okay, so far I only got €5. Not bad. So here. 29. Jump to 29. We're looking for 32, 33. I think the same numbers like the first one. Where's the first one? 30, 32, 30, 31, 32, 33. At least give me a winner. 29, 24, 14. Ay, luckily it's a winner. Okay, so that woman give me a win. So I talk bad about her, but every time they see my brown stupid face, they give me whatever ticket they feel like. 34. 25. Why? The lottery code, guys, why? Maybe this is a good win. Maybe €2. Why is it €2 or what? I haven't won €2 on this ticket. 12, 13. 10 times. This size. No, this size. What is why? Don't tell me it's a €2. Why is €2? What the heck? I thought it's a good win. Why? Letra Y. Ay, Jesus. Why is €2? I thought it's a good win, guys, because I haven't won €2, so I didn't know what was the lottery code for €2. Okay, so 32, 32 Y, €2. €2, and then where is the €5 that I won? And €5, so I got €7, €3 donation to Portugal lottery. But this ticket, guys, so far I only donate, I think I already bought 5 times or 4 times of this ticket, and I only donated €4 out of 40. Okay, so not bad, guys. 4 times €10, so 40, and then the first 2 tickets were, I think I won. I didn't donate, only yesterday and today, so I think €4 so far. Okay, so not bad this ticket. I bought 1 book of this ticket. The highest I won in 1 book was €10. Is a joke. Okay, bye. So I won €7, guys, out of 10. Not bad. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.